a simple life, something out those aches and pains from working on the farm.
Hey guys, it's Eric. Listen, this is a really short video, but it's a really important one. If you own a Kubota BX, and I don't care what generation it is, but these BXs have a serious issue. It's not a dangerous issue, but it's one that's going to cost you a fortune, and it almost cost me a fortune. When you fill up the tank, stuff gets in there, right? Dust, debris, whatever might be around it. Things might get into your tank while it's sitting, like your 5-gallon buckets or whatever you use to fill up your diesel. And what happens is on the bottom of this gas tank, there's a little 90-degree corner there that it has when it comes out. You can't get to it. And the little trash, debris, a bug or whatever will get stuck in that 90-degree angle, and you have to remove a lot to get to it. In fact, I think the Kubota dealership quoted me 10 hours of labor to get to it to replace the tank or to pull the tank out and fix it. Luckily, I was able to use a vacuum pump and pull it out through the bottom, but what a mess. This is not my idea. I came across this on the internet and I want to make a PSA, public service announcement for it. I'm going to leave a link for this item in the list below here, but this is actually for coffee. It's a cold brew coffee filter, and as you can see, it is a fine mesh. Let me open it up here. It's a really fine mesh screen. It's going to catch anything that happens to try to get into your gas tank, and that collar right there fits right into the tank on a Kubota. So let me show you. I'll pull the camera in closer here and I'll show you how easy install is. This is going to take like 2 seconds. Might save you all a couple $1,000s in repairs, so I recommend it. So here it is. Just unscrew your cap and it slides right in. Well, it's supposed to slide right in. Give it a little push. There it goes. And there it is. It sits right in there and the cap still screws on, no problem. So, I mean, it's a piece of cake. And now I don't have to worry about it. If it gets trash in there, I can pull that screen out and wash it out. I don't have to worry about bugs getting in there or grass clippings or whatever whenever I fill the tank up. That's it. There's the brand, there's the model, but I will leave a link to it. I got it on Amazon. It was less than $20. And I'm sure that once word gets out about these, just about every Kubota owner will want to have one. So they may not be available for much longer. You might want to get in on this. But just a real simple fix for a real expensive problem. If you're like me and have the BX25, holy cow, you got a lot of stuff to take off to get to that tank. Anyway, that'll do it for today. Take care.